Hello, everyone. Welcome to Echo Talk Studio.
Hello, and good morning. We're really happy to have you here today.
Layla, how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. A little busy, but feeling okay. How about you, Layla?
I'm good too, feeling fresh and ready for the day.
That's nice to hear.
For those who are new here, this is Echo Talk Studio.
On this channel, we practice real-life English conversations.
If you want to improve your English for daily life and work, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.
All right, let's start our conversation.
Today, we're talking about a very important part of our daily life.
Yes, we're talking about the workday.
Specifically, the morning workday routine.
From waking up in the morning to starting work at the office.
Layla, let's start with the morning. What time do you usually wake up on a workday?
On a normal workday, I wake up at 6:30 a.m.
That's early.
Yes, because I need time to prepare mentally and physically.
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
Is it easy for you to wake up?
Not always. Some mornings are difficult, especially when I'm tired.
How do you feel when you wake up on a workday?
Honestly, sometimes I feel lazy.
That's very normal.
But I remind myself that I have responsibilities.
Yes, thinking about work helps us get out of bed.
Sometimes I feel motivated, especially when I have clear goals.
Do you get out of bed immediately?
No, I usually stay in bed for a few minutes.
Same here.
I check the time and plan my morning.
But staying too long can make you late.
Exactly, so I try not to delay. After getting up, what do you do first?
I go to the bathroom and freshen up.
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
That helps me feel awake.
Yes, morning hygiene is important on a workday.
Do you make your bed in the morning?
Yes, I do.
Why?
Because it makes my room look clean and my mind feel organized.
I feel the same way.
Let's talk about breakfast.
Breakfast is very important on a workday.
What do you usually eat?
I usually eat eggs and tea. I prefer toast and coffee.
Do you ever skip breakfast?
Sometimes when I'm late.
Skipping breakfast makes the workday harder.
While eating breakfast, what do you think about?
I think about my work tasks.
Me too.
I plan my meetings and deadlines.
Planning in the morning saves time later.
After breakfast, I get ready for work.
I take a shower and choose my clothes.
Choosing clothes is important for confidence.
Yes, when you feel good, you work better.
Before leaving home, I check my bag.
Phone, wallet, keys.
Sometimes lunch or documents.
Forgetting something can ruin the morning.
How do you go to work?
I go to work by motorcycle.
I usually take the bus.
How long does it take?
About 30 minutes, depending on traffic.
During the commute, I think about work.
When I reach the office, I greet my colleagues.
Same here.
Greeting colleagues creates a positive environment.
Yes, it sets the mood for the workday.
What's the first thing you do at the office?
I turn on my computer and check emails.
Emails are very important in the morning.
They tell us what needs attention.
After emails, I make a task list.
Morning is the most productive time for me.
Same here. I focus on important tasks first.
I avoid distractions in the morning.
Do you feel pressure in the morning?
Sometimes, especially when work is heavy.
I feel the same.
But staying calm helps.
So this is how a typical workday morning looks.
Waking up, preparing, commuting, and starting office work.
These routines are part of everyone's work life.
And talking about them in English helps improve communication.
After the morning tasks, the day slowly moves into the afternoon.
Yes, the afternoon workday feels very different from the morning.
How do you usually feel in the afternoon at work?
Honestly, a little tired.
Same here.
Around noon, we usually take a lunch break.
Yes, lunch break is very important during a workday.
What time do you usually have lunch?
Around 1 p.m.
I usually have lunch at the same time.
Do you eat lunch at the office or outside?
Mostly at the office.
Me too.
During lunch, do you talk about work?
Sometimes, but not always.
I try not to talk about work during lunch.
That's good.
Lunch break helps us relax.
Yes, it gives our mind a break. How do you feel after lunch?
A bit sleepy.
That's very common.
The afternoon workday can be challenging.
Yes, staying focused becomes difficult.
After lunch, I go back to my desk.
Same here.
I check my task list again.
I review what is still pending.
The afternoon is usually about completing tasks.
Do you have meetings in the afternoon?
Yes, many meetings happen in the afternoon.
Same here.
Some meetings are short.
And some are very long.
Afternoon meetings can be tiring.
In the afternoon, problems often come up.
Yes, unexpected issues appear.
Emails, phone calls, urgent tasks.
Sometimes priorities change suddenly.
That's part of workday life.
How do you manage stress in the afternoon?
I take short breaks.
That helps.
I also drink water.
Staying hydrated is important.
Sometimes I stand up and stretch.
The afternoon requires more effort to stay focused.
Yes, concentration becomes harder.
I try to finish important tasks before evening.
I do the same. In the afternoon, teamwork becomes important.
Yes, we often coordinate with colleagues.
We discuss progress and deadlines.
Communication is very important.
Afternoon time is busy with emails. Yes, many emails come after lunch.
Phone calls also increase.
Sometimes it's hard to manage everything. Time management is very important in the afternoon.
Yes, because the day is moving fast.
I check the clock more often.
Same here. How is your energy level in the afternoon?
Lower than the morning.
Mine too.
But I try to stay positive.
A positive mindset helps.
As the afternoon ends, I try to finish pending work.
Yes, unfinished tasks move to the next day.
That can increase pressure.
So, finishing tasks is important.
The afternoon workday is about balance.
Balancing energy, focus, and workload.
Lunch, meetings, tasks, and communication.
All are part of a normal workday afternoon.
As the day moves forward, the workday slowly enters the evening.
Yes, the evening workday feels very different from the afternoon.
How do you usually feel in the evening at work?
Honestly, I feel tired.
Same here.
By evening, my energy level is low.
Mine too.
Working since morning affects the body.
Yes, both mentally and physically.
Even simple tasks feel harder.
In the evening, work pressure sometimes increases.
Yes, because deadlines are close.
Managers want updates.
Clients want responses.
Everyone wants things done quickly.
What kind of work do you usually do in the evening?
I try to complete pending tasks.
Same here.
I review my work.
I check if anything is unfinished.
The goal is to close the day properly.
Do you have meetings in the evening?
Sometimes, yes,
Evening meetings can be tiring,
especially when the day is already long.
but they are important for coordination.
In the evening, I talk to colleagues about progress.
Yes, team communication increases.
We discuss what is done.
And what needs to be done tomorrow. Sometimes mistakes are noticed in the evening.
That's true.
Because the day is ending, mistakes feel stressful.
Yes, but fixing them is important. How do you stay focused in the evening?
I take short breaks.
I do the same.
I also drink water.
Sometimes I stretch or stand up.
Before leaving work, I check my emails.
Yes, that's very important.
Some emails come late.
And they need quick replies. In the evening, I plan for the next workday.
That's a good habit.
I write down tasks for tomorrow.
Planning reduces morning stress. Do you organize your desk before leaving?
Yes, always.
A clean desk feels good.
It helps start the next day smoothly. In the evening, I look at the clock more often.
Same here.
Time feels slower.
But work still needs attention.
As office hours end, the atmosphere changes.
People start packing their bags.
Some look relaxed.
Some still look stressed.
Before leaving, I make sure my work is saved.
Yes, that's very important.
I shut down my computer.
And check my belongings.
The evening workday is about finishing and organizing.
Finishing tasks, fixing mistakes, and planning ahead.
It's a tiring but important part of the workday.
How we end the day affects how we start the next one.
When the workday finally ends, I feel a sense of relief.
Same here.
Leaving the office feels lighter.
Yes, the pressure slowly goes away.
I pack my bag and get ready to leave.
I do the same and say goodbye to my colleagues.
How do you usually go back home after work?
I go back the same way I come, by motorbike.
I usually take the bus.
How do you feel during the commute back?
Tired but relaxed.
Yes, work is done, so the mind feels free.
On the way home, I think about my day.
Me too.
I think about what went well.
And what could be better?
Sometimes I replay conversations in my head.
That's very common.
When I reach home, the first thing I do is relax.
Same here.
I change my clothes.
Yes, work clothes feel heavy.
Being at home feels comfortable.
Do you spend time with your family after work?
Yes, that's very important for me.
I also try to spend time with family.
We talk about our day.
It helps reduce stress.
What do you usually do in the evening?
I rest for a while.
Same here.
Sometimes I watch TV.
Sometimes I scroll on my phone.
What about dinner?
I usually have dinner with my family.
Same here.
Dinner time feels calm.
Yes, it's a good way to end the day.
After dinner, I like some personal time.
Me too.
I read, relax, or listen to music.
Sometimes I go for a short walk.
That helps clear the mind.
Do you think about work after coming home?
Sometimes,
Same here.
but I try not to stress.
Work-life balance is important.
Before sleeping, I prepare for the next day.
That's a good habit.
I check my alarm.
I check my schedule.
It helps start the next workday smoothly.
As night comes, I feel sleepy.
Yes, the body needs rest.
I go to bed thinking about tomorrow.
I try to sleep early on workdays. So this is what after workday life looks like.
Leaving the office, going home, relaxing, and resting.
A workday doesn't end at the office door.
How we spend time after work matters too.
We hope this conversation helped you understand how to talk about your workday in English.
If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to Echo Talk Studio.
Comment below and tell us about your after-work routine.
Thanks for watching.
See you soon and keep practicing English.